Hi fairies, welcome back to my channel. It's Laurasia Andrea. So this video is going to be a super in-depth tutorial of how I get my extreme jet black hair color. I'm also going to be cutting the hair on camera, styling the hair on camera, and even installing the wig on camera. And you guys may or may not see a makeup interruption later on, but that's later on in the video. So I'm going to section off this video. I did put in time frames of what section you guys want to see. If somebody already knows how to dye hair, you can go ahead and skip to cutting. If someone already knows how to cut, you can skip to styling, so on and so forth. So the first step I'm going to be doing is putting on the actual jet black mixture. I love to use Dark and Lovely permanent dyes in the shades Midnight Blue and Jet Black. These two together, in my personal opinion, I feel like is a perfect mixture because you have a little bit of your blue black and then you have a little bit of your jet black. The blue black definitely has a more blue undertone. The jet black has more of a brownie undertone. So when you mix those two together, I feel like it gives you the perfect, super deep yet slight hint of blue, depending on what type of environment you're in and what type of lighting you in. I feel like it is so dark, it's so deep, and you also get a little bit of shine because of the formula from Dark and Lovely, and also it's permanent. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put on this mixture on the hair, and then I will come back when I'm going ahead to cutting the hair. So this is a result from both of the colors that I mixed together. Because we have that blue undertone and that brown undertone mixed together, I feel like it makes the darkest jet black, especially in the sun. On top of that, I feel like with the Dark and Lovely dyes, they just give a super nice sheen to the hair, and it just makes it look so moisturized without actually putting oil in it. So now I'm moving on to cutting the hair. This part, I want you guys to really pay attention. I do certain points where I zoom in for you guys to be able to see a lot more. So the first thing that I like to do when I cut hair is cut off about 1 to 2 inches of hair on the ends. A lot of times with hair, sometimes the hair goes from thick to thin on the ends. This hair is actually from my brand Fairy Stylish. This is my Burmese Virgin Remy body wave. I have an 10-inch, 12-inch, and 14-inch body wave, and then I also have a 10-inch body wave frontal 13x4. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut off the ends of the hair. I like to just do this just to make sure that my entire hair is cut bluntly, but at the same time it's not really cut bluntly, but I am, if you have not noticed, cutting the hair upwards using some scissors. So once I feel like I've cut off about 1.5 to 2 inches of my ends all around the wig, I will then go ahead and make sure that my hair is even on the ends. So I want to make sure that it is a nice line, like a nice straight line on the ends of the wig, because you don't want it to look ragged. You don't want one side to be shorter than the other. So just go ahead and make sure that you are evening out your cut on the ends of your bob. And then when you're done with cutting and evening out the ends of the hair, then you want to move on to creating your layers and your bang portion. So that basically means taking the frontal part of the wig And if you're working on the right side, you want to pull the hair to the left to create a layered effect. And then the same thing for the left side. If you're working on that side, you want to make sure that you're pulling the hair to the right so that you are creating a layer effect on that side. So I pretty much just do the same thing on both sides to create the layers, because when I go in and I curl the hair, I want to make sure that it is falling nice and layered when I do so. Okay, we are done cutting and now we're going to move on to styling. Before I style, I'll always take my Sebastian Shaper spray. This is the original formula, not the plus. I honestly love using this spray with styling my hair. I feel like it makes my curls last a lot longer. I do use the spray a little bit more when I go ahead and go style, as you guys will see later on. But first, I will go ahead and just spray it all over the hair. Next, I will just go ahead, same thing I do all the time with curling my hair. I would just section off the hair in small sections, spray a little bit of the Sebastian Shaper spray again, and then I will curl away from the face. This curling iron is from Ion from Sally Beauty. It is a 1 1/4 curling iron. Love this. I've had it for years. You guys have seen me use this probably like the beginning of my channel. I've been using it for so long and I love it. So I'm just going to go ahead and curl some sections on camera. I do zoom in a little bit more so that you guys are able to really see that jet black color. It came out so bomb. The hair looks so shiny, and again, I did not put any oil or anything in it. That's why I personally love using the Dark and Lovely permanent dyes. So when I'm done curling the hair, I will now go ahead to finger combing it as well as styling it with a comb. The first thing I will do is just kind of comb it all out because I want to see how well the hair pretty much falls when I do so, and then you'll see me go in later on to touch up the back of the wig. I did cut a little bit more than I wanted to on the left side of the wig, but you know, the ending result, it wasn't really bad. You guys probably didn't even notice until I said something, but I did cut a little bit more than I really wanted to, but overall I feel like I did a really good job with cutting this wig. This is my first time cutting a wig in a very long time, you guys, so I was very proud of myself. But yeah, I just made it more of a bob instead of more so like a shortcut. So that's just what I'm doing in this section of the video. Okay, so I pretty much just went ahead. I've had the hair in, well, I've had the style in for a very long time on the hair. I did not even go ahead and go and recurl it. By the time you guys are seeing this section of the video, this is probably like on day 3 or 4. I already wore the wig a couple of times already. So you'll kind of see the curls drop a little bit, but not so much. And that's honestly why I love the Burmese Virgin Remy hair, because it holds curls tremendously. Like it can hold curls in the hair for like a week, up to a week, depending on how well you take care of your wigs when you're not wearing them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Got To Be gel just to brush my hair back and then blow dry it dry. Now I'm going to move on to using the Ericka J Hold Me Down adhesive. You guys have seen me use this on my channel quite some time now. I've been using it for a few months. I love this glue. If you guys want to see a dedicated review video, I will link that in this video. But I've raved about it. I've talked about it. I put this on my Instagram story, Instagram, everything. I use it all the time. So definitely go ahead and check her out. She is another Black owned business. So really check out her products, show your support, and just show support to another Black owned company. So I just went ahead and put on 2 layers of the glue. Then I will move ahead to putting on my wig. So you guys will see I kind of messed up with my install, but I was not doing this video over you guys. I worked many days to this video, and that's kind of how I want to do all my hair videos. I want to take my time with them, do them more in depth. I want to post hair videos probably once a week, and then the rest of the week focus on other videos. But that's kind of like my plan of how I want to start doing my channel, just kind of being more in depth and just having more structure to my channel. And yeah, so I kind of messed up a little bit. I felt like I had a rippling effect when I put on my wig. This wig definitely, I don't know, I felt like because I cut my hair off that my head went back down to a 21-inch head circumference, and I should have just stuck with a 22-inch head circumference because I felt like I made the wig too small on my head. So you guys will see a little bit of rippling on my forehead. That's because the wig was too small. So if you guys see that, don't mind that. I just made the wig way too small, so just ignore that part. Then when I have placed my lace all around my hairline, I'll just take a head wrap. This is what you call the melting portion of installing your wig. Just take a scarf, take a headband, take anything that has more of like a silk texture to it, put that around your hairline, and then just blow dry your hairline on medium heat for about 2 minutes. And then I move on to using my Ericka J Fluff Stuff styling foam, and I would just create a little bit of baby hair for this portion. And then that is all with styling the wig. But first, don't go nowhere because we are having a makeup interruption. I'm just going to be inserting small clips of me doing my makeup or showcasing my outfit in my videos, hair videos now, because you guys have been coming at me about doing makeup, showing my outfits and things like that in my videos. So I'm most likely going to insert small little clips of me doing a little bit of my makeup or showcasing a little bit of my outfit in my hair videos videos because number one, they're more entertaining. Number two, you can really just see how you can just pull your entire look together from your wig to your makeup to your outfit, because everything just kind of goes into one. So I'm going to leave down below the lip combo that I did, as well as where I got this jumpsuit from. I believe Posh by B is a black owned company as well. Don't quote me, but I could swear that the owner is from Jamaica, but I could be lying. But I swear through the grapevine I found out that she was black owned. But anywho's, I'm gonna leave down below the lip combo that I did, as well as the link to this jumpsuit. Hopefully it is not sold out by the time I post this video. So yeah, thank you guys so much. That is the end of this whole entire tutorial. I felt like I loved the way that I did this style of video. Let me know by thumbsing up this video if you guys enjoyed it as well, and can't wait to see you guys in my next video. I'm going to be giving you guys try on hauls. I'm going to be giving you guys slight semi vlogs. I'm going to give you guys more full get ready with me's, doing my hair, showcasing my makeup and things like that. So definitely stay tuned for the rest of my videos to come, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.